The following video that you're fixing to watch is for the new guy coming into the field as a compressor mechanic with very little experience. Sorry the volume is low on it. Please turn your volume up and ring the bell, subscribe, and I will try to post more later. Thanks for watching. So you want to be a gas compressor mechanic? Well, I'm going to enlighten you on what kind of career you're going to have in front of you. There's two different fields in the gas compression business. You have the contract compression, which is rental, AMS compression, which is customer owned. If you're just starting out, I would recommend going into the rental side of it. You can make a few more mistakes that side of it and get away with it, because you'll always have someone to cover your back. AMS is customer owned. They watch you a little bit closer and expect a little bit better job. As for which company you're going to work for, I've been in this business for a very, very long time. There's not one that's better than the other, or one that's worse than the other. They all have their quirks. There's people you're not going to get along with, different personalities on both sides of the fence. You might be the problem, your boss might be the problem. If you see me looking around, I'm driving right now, heading to my daughter's house. What I plan on doing is making another video after this one, giving you some tips and tricks. But right now, I just want to tell you what you're going to find in the field. In the rental side, you're going to find that the guys that are operating your compressors really don't have a clue on what they're doing. They're not trained in any manner. You're going to get a lot of call-outs on them. Most of the call-outs, I would say at least 90% of them, are generated by the customer. High liquid levels, not maintaining their liquid levels on their scrubbers, not running the engines at the proper speed, overloading the compressor, and in general just don't know what the hell they're doing. That's where I could put it. But you're making money off all this, and you're making good money off all this. If it's customer owned, usually you're gonna get a call out where the guy knows pretty much what he's doing on it, but he's gonna be covering his ass if he made a mistake and caused the problem. So that's when you gotta be smart enough to figure out, is this an actual failure, or did somebody cause this problem? If you're working with a lead tech, pay close attention to the way he talks to the customer and how he troubleshoots. Troubleshooting is 110% of the job. Get it right the first time. Neither side of the fence like comebacks. You don't want to do the same job twice. If it's a running issue, it's a little bit harder to troubleshoot. It takes a little bit more time. If it's a mechanical issue, they're not hard to troubleshoot at all once you get a couple of years under your belt. I've taught a lot of guys how to troubleshoot during my career. Today they're all lead techs. I stay in contact with them all the time, just so I can keep up with some of the newer stuff that they're working on. You know, they're doing stuff that I haven't even done yet. Things are changing year to year. Keep adding stuff to them. But in a nutshell, to close the video, I will be making another video soon, troubleshooting certain aspects of it.